Have you ever been seconds away of getting that perfect shot and all of a sudden, boom, your camera dies on you? Yeah, I've been there and it sucks. It actually happened to me on a paid gig the other day, and I don't wish this on anybody. It's like the worst feeling to have on a shoot, to be honest. It's like your camera decides, nah fam, we had enough filming for today, so let's just call it quits. Meanwhile, you're stuck there froze, staring at a dead screen because you don't want to let know the client that this camera died because you made wrong choices. This is why a company like Llano gets it right. You know, apparently they're the only ones who actually want us to keep shooting instead of rage quitting our careers mid-gig. Let's just check it out. Full disclaimer, Llano did sponsor this video, but it doesn't have any hits on my opinions or what I think about their product. That being said, let's go on with the video. So here's the deal. If you are a Sony shooter rocking the MP FZ100, this little brick right here, it doesn't matter if you're a Nikon or a Canon R shooter, we're all playing the same game here. Please don't die mid-take. Relying on one battery or one slot charger, that's like relying on one slice of pizza to fill you up for the whole day. It's not gonna happen. So a company like Llano gets this, which is why they have a system that actually makes sense. Chargers that don't look like toys, batteries that don't gaslight with fake percentages, and setups that don't leave you stranded halfway through a wedding shoot. That's for my wedding shooters out there. So let's just check it out. So first off, I want to talk about is the dual slot charger. This is the Llano 20-watt dual slot charger, which is made out of CNC aluminum. This thing is a brick and it's actually very light. It doesn't weigh a thing. It has LED indicators on the front. To me, I call this the Tesla of chargers. Well, if Tesla, delivers. But anyway, going back to the charger, you'll have a USB port and there's actually USB-C. So you're gonna power this 20 watts. It's gonna be charging very fast. You can connect this to a wall charger, power bank, it doesn't matter. But I like it, it's very compact and it actually matches with my FX3. Yeah, looks cool. And now the big brother, the triple slot 30-watt battery charger. This is my favorite. I always walk around with 4 batteries, 1 on the camera and 3 on the charger. And I've been using it for 2 weeks and actually I really like it. It's pretty cool. Made the same way, CNC aluminum. You have your USB-C port. You can also connect it to a wall or a power bank, whatever you want. It has your LED indicators letting you know how much battery percentage, which is very, very cool. And it's very lightweight. And it's not made out of plastic, which is good. You could drop this. I mean, don't drop it, don't break it. But if you have a plastic one, you drop it, it's gonna break. So that's a good thing, Llano. So not only Llano makes chargers, but they also make Sony batteries. They also make your Canon and Nikon batteries, but I have the Sony version right here. This is a 2400 megawatt battery, which is fully decoded, no passive aggressive splash info from your camera saying that it's not compatible with your camera, it's gonna shut off. So this is why I've been skeptical of buying Amazon batteries because I hate that message. If you're gonna make batteries for Sony cameras or any cameras, it should be guaranteed that, it's gonna work properly. Another battery, and to me, this is my favorite one, and this is their Aurora Battery. And when I say it's cool, it's because it has this right here. Yeah, right? Battery percentage, letting you know exactly how much battery you have. So if you buy a few of these, put them in your backpack, and you want to make sure that you're not putting a dead battery in your camera, it's pretty cool to have an indicator that's going to let you know about that. So the best part is how flexible the system is, to be honest. You don't have to lock yourself into a 1 battery setup. If I'm traveling light, I'll bring the dual slot charger with 2 2400 watt batteries. But if I have a long shoot, I'm going to bring the triple charger with all 2600 Aurora batteries, which is very cool. And if not, I'll mix match and bring both, and I'll just make sure that I have enough battery for the entire shoot. This kit adapts to anything you shoot. And honestly, look how look how much it's gonna take away from your battery pack, from your backpack. Very small, guys. Look at that. Yeah, honestly, Llano, you guys really, really killed it with this one. So this is the real kicker for me, and I mean it 100%. I know for a fact you probably own 1 or 2 V-mount batteries that do have USB-C. You can actually connect these to USB-C on a V-mount battery, and it's gonna actually charge your batteries while you're on the go. So let's say you're rocking the dual slot charger and you want to charge these 3 batteries on the triple slot. You can actually have it connected in your backpack with a V-mount while you're shooting and your batteries are being charged. So that's a brilliant idea. It is the fact because these are fast charging chargers. This is a 30 watt and a 20 watt, which is a brilliant idea. And I really appreciate that Llano actually is giving you a lot for your money, for real. So if you're tired of babysitting chargers that look like Happy Meal toys, Llano got you covered as I demonstrated you. You can get the dual slot, the triple slot, the 2400 and 2600 megawatt battery. Take your pick, build your setup, and stop stressing. I'm gonna leave links in the description so you guys can check all this product out, which is very awesome. And trust me, you're not gonna go wrong with these stuff. So this is gonna be it for me. I hope you found this video useful, informative, and if you did, go out there, create them, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.